packing up to go to Normal, Illinois. Do the first, this is a road trip in the Tesla. I think it's 400 miles. Should take about 6 hours and maybe 6.5 hours with the standard range. And it's going to be about 25-30 degrees. So we'll see how much I need to charge. Guess I'll take y'all with me to see how the range goes. See how much I have to stop and charge and how much of a pain in the ass it is. And how much it costs. But right now I'm packing up to go to Detroit. Got Thursday night football tomorrow. Lions Packers. 11-1. It's the best year ever. We got a bunch of people out, but we're still going to get the job done. So, first Detroit, and then from Detroit to Normal, Illinois. Alright, all packed up. Got the car warming up outside. Just turned that on. Just got to close this up and we're off to work. And then Detroit later today. Got some snow. This is a good plus of the Tesla. I do really enjoy is just heating it up before I come out. It's super simple. The app is usually a lot better than lots of other car apps. And I just turned this on probably, 4 minutes ago. Looks like it's all thawed out. So that's great. This is actually my first time driving this car in the snow. So that'll be interesting. Heard they're good in the snow despite the charge situation. Alright, we are starting. Here's our route. Just plugged it in. Yeah, we'll get there at 5:05. And we're gonna have to charge 3 times. Alright. I will check in when we get to the first charging station. Right now we have 89 miles. That's not realistic, but yeah, we'll see if we make it. This first one will make it to no problem. It's real close, but after that it'll be the real test of when we have full power. Yeah, since we only have 88 miles, I'm gonna charge real quick here. Get full, charge again in Kalamazoo. And then the last charge will be at our destination. Again, this is the 2018 Model 3 Performance Standard Range. You can hear that whining probably. It's preconditioning my battery for the charge in a half hour. Kind of annoying. We got a jam-packed charging station right here. But starting to charge, so it's gonna be slow because every stall is filled. Now we got 40. Oh my goodness. Yeah, see, this is gonna suck. 45 minutes until I can continue the trip. And I got the limit set to 252. I think I'm gonna put it up to 100. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna wait. I'll probably do it less just to get to the next station because I bet the next station won't be as busy and I'll charge faster. Alright, I went and got some goodies from Meijer. It says I have 10 minutes to go. I can continue my trip. But I have 231 alleged miles of range, 232. And what's confusing about this is my next stop is in Kalamazoo, Michigan, which is only 110 miles away, 121 miles away. But I still have to keep charging to make it there. Make it make sense. The range is not accurate on this. I know that, but part of the reality. being a Tesla owner. We've got 38 minutes to go, 43 miles. And what's interesting is that percentage right there in the bottom right is the projected percentage I will have when I arrive. That has been lowering. Well, it's lowered from when I first started, it was like 12 or 13. Now it's at 7, so I think we'll be fine, but it is consistently getting, the gap is tightening. And now we have 102 with 42 miles to go. My calculations estimate that I get roughly half of that number. And so if I multiply this 42, it gives me a window or a buffer of 19-ish miles. So I think I'm going to be fine. But the percentage is lowering, so that's interesting. We shall see what happens. We got 37 minutes till the second charge stop, but we didn't start full. First full charge stop. All right, we are pulling up to the second charge, first full charge. We're cutting it pretty close. Nothing crazy though. I was going 75 pretty much the whole way. Well, the majority of the way, and then as I got close I started going faster because I realized I was gonna make it just fine. Had I gone 70 the whole way, yes, I would have a lot more miles, but I figured I was gonna stop and charge at this spot anyway. Why not go a little faster? So my range could be improved in that. Oh boy, very busy once again. Looks like we've got one spot. Holy shit, I just hit something. It was a big chunk of ice, I think. Alright. Well, I'm gonna plug it in. Got here 18 miles. Let's see how long she takes. It's just starting. Give me a good rate here. Come on, climb, climb, climb. Let me see a 4. Let me see a 4. Can I get a 5? Ooh, pretty close. Alright. So, half hour here. I'm gonna go pee. Then we'll go from there. Alright. We probably could take off right now. It says we'd get to the next charger with 5%, but I'm not gonna. Instead, I'm gonna eat this crunchy crab sushi burrito. Come on now. 700 calories, $10.50. It's gonna be bussin'. Also got some sausages as a snack.
Dollars in taxpayer money to.
This is so good. Wow. Kind of like not driving too while I eat, because this kind of requires some attention. If I'm driving, could get a little hairy out there. Just saying. And we're off again. Next stop, Munster, Indiana. Alright, forgot to start recording. Just started charging. 20 some miles. And we've got, this is the last stop, of course. How many miles are left? 128 miles. Right there. So I'm gonna need like a full charge. Barefoot. Look at how dirty this is. Look how dirty she is. Very busy out here. All of these things have always been so busy. Best juice I've ever gotten. 700 miles per hour. That's awesome. I need to hurry up though. 50, what does it say? 52 miles still. We made it. Nice. I had 2 full charges, but I couldn't have made it in 2, I don't think. But I didn't go to 100%, so maybe. Alright. We just left the Rivian plant. It was really awesome. I'm now heading back. We've got 2:34, and the first leg of the trip is 2 hours and 20 minutes. Hopefully we get there with 10-11%. And our ETA to home is 9:38 p.m. Coming down here was fine. It took a while to charge. All the chargers I stopped at were full, so it took like 30-40 minutes to charge. But should be shorter on some of these ones on the way home. Plus having to stop 3 times since I didn't have a full charge to begin with. Added some time, and it was super cold. Right now it's 58, so that should help my range a little bit. But overall not bad. Okay, we have 86 miles until we take exit 250A on eastbound 80. And we're heading out of Bloomington back up north. I will check in with you guys at the first charge stop. Okay, first stop to charge. We've got 25 miles up there and looks pretty empty to me. I'll take this one over here, give everybody some space. I'll just cop it and pop it. Super fast. This is gonna be great. This will be far less than 30 minutes. Alright, my fat-ass got some Arby's all ready to head out anyway, so just grab some Arby's real quick and I'll eat it for 5-10 minutes and hit the road. Okay, that Arby's was delicious. We are hitting the road. We've got, only an hour and 50 on this leg. That was including charging earlier. And we'll get there with 17%. Update you when I get close. We are arriving at the second charge stop. We got here with 46 miles and it's just starting to charge, but we've got the last stretch, an hour and 48 minutes. Nitro cold brew and a rainstorm shit. I don't know what that is. 3 spread out Tessies. And I'm not gonna drink these today, but I got them for tomorrow. And we're almost back. Really smooth ride. We made it back. And we've got 77 miles to spare. 10:40. I'm gonna have to put the times that it took me to get there on the screen, but I believe I left just after 3. So that'd be like 4 o'clock this time to 10:40. So 6 hours and 40 minutes. Enjoyable experience.